Hi, this is our second day working with lesson 18 in spellography. Today I want to remind you guys about how to add on a suffix to words that end with a silent E. So there's two situations that you have to remember. So today we're talking about silent E plus suffixes. The first type of suffix is a suffix that ends in or begins in a vowel. So if I want to put a suffix like ing on a word such as take, notice ing starts with a vowel, it starts with I have to get rid of that silent E. It has to go away. E and I do not really want to be next to each other like that. So when I write it out, the word is taking, and I don't have that E anymore. The second situation that you might find yourself in is a suffix that starts with a consonant. So you either have a suffix that starts with a vowel, or you have a suffix that starts with a consonant. And this suffix that I'm going to try out is li, like Lee. And when your suffix starts with a consonant, you do not have to do anything with that E. It gets to stay because it doesn't really matter. So this becomes likely. So today we're going to call this rule 1, and rule 2 is going to be when the suffix starts with a consonant. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to use these two rules to help you with page 102 in spellography. And these rules are going to be at the top of the page for you to refer to. And you're going to do this activity, which is activity 6, exercise 6. And I'm going to do the first one for you. So they're asking you to put these two words together, smoke plus less. So the first thing you need to look at is, does my ending start with a consonant or a vowel? My ending starts with a consonant, so I do not have to do anything to my original word, smoke. So when I put smoke plus less together, the word is smokeless, and it looks like just those two words combined. And then next to it asks for you to write the rule down. Was this rule 1 or rule 2? And it's rule 2. Okay? So you're going to do that on page 102 today. When you finish page 102, you're going to go back to page 101. And 101 also is looking at suffixes. And you have a list of 11 words. And all of those words have endings on them. The words are thankful, reckless, meekly, thankless, leaking, package, wreckage, reeking, streaked, briskly, and clicked. So what you're going to do, the first thing, is that you're going to underline all the suffixes that you see. So for example, in the first word, thankful, you would underline full. The second part of this activity, which is exercise 5, is you're going to choose 5 of the endings that you've underlined. You could choose full, you could choose less, you could choose lee, you could choose ing, it doesn't matter. You choose 5, and you're going to write them across the top on page 101, which you'll see. And then you're going to come up with examples of those words, like from that you've experienced in your life. Okay? So just to recap, today's work is all about suffixes. That means endings you put on words. I'd like you to do page 102 first, and then I'd like you to do page 101. And I will put the answers up tomorrow for you to check your work. Good luck.